In this session, we'll be simplifying, adding, and subtracting rational expressions. So first, if we have something basic, such as 12a cubed over 18a, all we need to do is simplify this. So we're going to take out common factors of each and try to cancel. Well, 12a cubed and 18a both share a 6a. So we could write the 12a cubed as 6a times 2a squared all over, then the 18a would be 6a times all that's left is a 3. Here the 6a's cancel, and 2a squared over 3 is our final answer. But now if we have something a little bit more complex, such as 6x squared minus 7x minus 5 all over 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Here what we need to do is factor both the top and the bottom and then see what cancels. Well, 6x squared minus 7x minus 5 factors to 3x minus 5 times 2x plus 1. 2x squared plus 5x plus 2 factors to x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. So as you can see here, the 2x plus 1 will cancel with the 2x plus 1 on the bottom. And this will be our final answer since nothing else can cancel. Now if we want to throw into the mix adding or subtracting, it would be the same method of which that you do it. Let's say we have 4 divided by y squared plus 8y plus 12 plus 1 over y plus 6. Well, just like when you add or subtract fractions with numerical content only, no variables, you need to have a common denominator. So here it's hard to tell what y squared plus 8y plus 12 and a y plus 6, what would the common denominator be? So first we'll start out by factoring each individual numerator and denominator. In this case, the 4, the 1, and the y plus 6 are already factored. All we need to deal with is the y squared plus 8y plus 12. The y squared plus 8y plus 12 will factor to y plus 6 times y plus 2. So now if we rewrite the problem, we have 4 over y plus 6 times y plus 2 plus 1 over y plus 6. Now it's much easier to see what the common denominator would be. Each one has a y plus 6, but this one has a y plus 2, as where this side does not. So we're going to need to multiply the top and bottom of this one by y plus 2. Now to rewrite the problem again, the left side stays the same, the 4 divided by y plus 6 times y plus 2. Then we have plus our 1 times y plus 2, so we get just a y plus 2. And then on the bottom, our y plus 6 times the y plus 2. Now we have a common denominator. Since we have a common denominator, now we can add these together. So this would just become then 4 plus the top here, so we get y plus 6, and then on the bottom still we have our common denominator, y plus 6 over y plus 2. So y plus 6 over y plus 6 times y plus 2, and now see what can cancel. The y plus 6 will cancel with the y plus 6 on the bottom, and we're left with 1 over y plus 2. And nothing else can be canceled, so we know we're done.